Ever thought of turning your wall into a green space? Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, a revolutionary approach to gardening that maximizes space and enhances air quality. With vertical gardening, any wall can become a lush, green paradise. Before we dive into the process, gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a vertical garden kit, a good amount of potting soil, a selection of your favorite plants, and some basic gardening tools. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to embark on your vertical gardening journey. Now that we have our supplies, it's time to get our hands dirty. First things first, we need to attach our vertical garden kit to the wall. Ensure it's secure, as it will carry the weight of soil and plants. Next, we move on to filling the kit with potting soil. Make sure it's evenly spread across all pockets. Once done, we can start planting our green friends in the pockets of the kit. Now here's where things get interesting. Choosing the right plants for your vertical garden is crucial. Look for plants that thrive in similar conditions, considering factors like sunlight, water needs, and temperature. Equally important is picking the right location for your garden. Remember, not all walls are created equal. Some may get more sunlight, some less. Some may be exposed to wind, others not. And voila, you've created your own wall of greenery. But remember, a garden is a commitment. It needs your care to thrive. So let's move on to maintaining your vertical garden. A vertical garden is not just about setting it up, but also about maintaining it. Regular watering, timely pruning, and replacing any dead plants are key to its longevity. With proper care, your vertical garden will thrive and bring life to your space. Creating a vertical garden is a rewarding experience, isn't it? You've seen the benefits, the blossoming wall spaces, the process of setting it up. A green thumb's dream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.